Okay, everybody. So now we're on to level 3 of lesson 12, and we have an interesting challenge ahead of us. So we are going to work on justifying content, and what that means is spreading it horizontally across the page. So let's get started. As always, we have our instructions, we have our help and tips if we need them. We have our lesson guide with our resources, and then we have our cheat sheet. And so right here, this column for justify content, this is what we're going to be looking at uh, today. So organizing content. Here we go. Justify content. After we enable Flex for container items, define the flow direction and whether items should wrap or not. The next step is to define how items in the container should be distributed horizontally across the container. We will do this with the justify content property. This property has 6 value options. Assign each one to make the page look like the image to the right. So this is what we're aiming for. Do this. Add the justify content property to each of the 6 div container rules in the style sheet. Okay? Match the image on the right by applying the correct value with each of the justify content properties. Value options include. And so here are our 6 options. We're going to need to use each of them. Okay, so this is already set up, so we don't have to do anything to the index file. We can see div class container 1, container 2, container 3, and so forth and so on. So that is fabulous. We're going to go to the style sheet, container 1. All right, we have a purple background, and we need to, it looks like, center it. All right, so add code below to define how items should be distributed horizontally across the container. Okay, well, let's go look at our list. Add the justify content property. So we're going to do justify content and center. Does that look correct? It does. All right, cool. So let's move on to the next one. Container 2. Add code below to define how items should be distributed horizontally across the container. Fabulous. So again, justify content. And this one is here, here, and here. Well, I don't know which one that means. I know it's not going to be center because we've done that one already, so check. I don't think it's going to be flex start because this is flex start. It's going to be at the start. This is flex end. It's going to be at the end. So that leaves us with between, around, or evenly. So we know it's going to be one of the space. Let's try the first one, between. All right. Okay, I know that one's not correct because we have a little bit of teal on both sides. So it's not between. Let's try evenly. All right, I'm feeling like that might be it, but let's just triple check and do around as well. Hmm. I'm going to leave it with around for right now. We might have to come back and tweak this. Now, something I want you guys to understand, I am not looking at an answer guide. I am going to figure my way through this just like you do. And I want you to understand that I'm doing this with you, that this is an us, not a me, and not a you, but a we. Okay? So, I don't know if this is right or not. I think it might be. We will find out. I think that the teal line and the green line are going to be the tricky parts. So we will see what we see as we get to each of those. Now, I know that what this line is because we just saw it. So 50 add code below for container number 3. That is this line right here. Okay, so we've got justify content. I believe this is space around. Ooh, what I do. Ooh, what I do. I did something. Oh, okay, there it goes. All right, so it's okay. This one's not spaced around because that one might be. So we need to take this one off, and we're gonna do between. That's what we want. See? All right, it's at the very edges. Fabulous, fabulous. We're making progress. We're getting somewhere. All right. Container number 4. Add code below. So we're gonna add it right here. We know that we're gonna start it with justify content. And then this one is the other one. So if the teal line is space around, then this one might be spaced evenly. Let's find out. Okay, so now we got to look closely here. There's a gap between the 1 and the 3. There is a smaller gap in between these and this, and then this and this. So I feel like we chose right. I feel like the container 2 is going to be spaced around, and container 4 is going to be spaced evenly. I feel good about that. And so let's move on to the next one. Container 5. All right, so container 5 is going to be this one, the yellow line, and we know that that's going to be flex end because of course they're all at the end. So let's make that happen. Flex end, and there they are. They're at the end of the line. Excellent. All right, last but not least, already. So here's the really interesting thing, guys. When we started coding, we started with a single line. And now we're already dealing with over 100 lines. This is wonderful. This is such amazing progress. We just have to keep going and we have to persevere even when it's hard, even when it's challenging. We have lots and lots of resources to be able to figure our way around it. So yeah, now we're in line 102, which is amazing. So this one is already set, but you know what? We didn't do the justify content. So let's go ahead and do that so that everything is exactly the way it needs to be. And this is going to be flex start. Okay, so with that, we have what we need. We have what we need. And again, if you needed it, there's the show me how to get started GIF. You can always grab these 3 dots and bring the page up if you need to see, bring the page down if you need to see. So all of this is here for you. And all right, I think we're done with level 3 and it's on to level 4. Let's go.